Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is our environment lesson from grade 7. Already we have done part 1 which I will be adding in the box. You can see there and you can watch it. And let us start our second part. Already in first part we have learned that what is abiotic, what is biotic, what does we learn in the environment and all. So in this lesson in environment we have now coming to the point where we are learning about the ecosystem. So ecosystem, what do you mean by that? Seeing this picture, you can see here that here is one animal and which is in the in forest. Can it live in water? No, it cannot fly. It cannot live in water. So it is living in the place which is suitable for that animal. So we can see that the people lives in the area which is even we also are searching where is suitable for us. The more temperature we cannot bear, very cool areas we cannot be. So this all balance of the environment which are linked with each other. Whatever things we are using, whatever the chemicals, whatever things we are getting from the earth, these all are interacted with each other. Without that interaction, there is no possibility of the life here, because from the air we are breathing, from the plants we are taking the food, from the animals also we are taking a lot of helps in our life. So in this way we all are linked with each other. All links are transferred by each other, and we are using a lot of kind of materials in all over the world, in this earth. So all plants, animals, human beings, these all are depending on this surrounding. So how is our surrounding? Depending on that only. Now you see, we can't see camel in the desert, in the area which is not desert, or in the sea area. We can't see camel. And same time, we cannot see any fish in the desert. It is very silly to think like that, because it is not at all suitable environment for them. So the surrounding areas which is suitable for us, and we are depending on each other for living in their surrounding areas, like the climate, the temperature, the trees we get, the food we eat, the dress we wear according to that. These all are depending on the situation where we are living. So this is a relationship between the living organism. Like we see that big fish eats small fish. Same way in the jungle we can see the big lion eats the animals which eat grasses. The animals eats grasses, and again in on that grasses also so many small microorganisms are depending. So many insects are there. These all are interlinked. There is the relationship between all the organism. So as well as we also have the relationship with the surrounding areas like rain, forest, grassland, desert, mountain, lake, rivers, ocean. So many things are there. And these all we are having interrelation. Like you see, from the mountain we get glacier. From that glacier, when melts, it forms the rivers. These rivers come down and it gives the fertile land to us. It is useful for agriculture. That agriculture plants we are eating, we are growing plants, we are having agriculture, and that is helping in our life. If the glacier is not there, if we say, we can see that our life will be difficult without water. So we can see that there is the interlink with each other. That there's so many examples we can give. So human is one of the main creature who is living on the earth and in the environment, and he or she is the creator of so many things. And the human beings, or early human being, adapted according to the situation and the surrounding nature, natural surroundings, and they used to adjust, and they used to, if they are not able to live in those areas, they don't get food or something, they used to shift to other place. But today human beings are not ready to shift or adjust. They are creating the environment according to their needs. For fulfilling their needs, they are inventing new things. You can see so many machines or so many things have come, which is fulfilling our needs. And day by day, new invention is going on. And this invention started from the very beginning when the early human beings started learning agriculture. That was a revolution, the great agriculture. Newly they learned, it was a very big thing for them. When they learned to know about the agriculture, they started using the domestic animals for which was helping them in agriculture or transportation, those kind of things these animals used to help. So first they learned agriculture, then they domesticated animal. Slowly they came to know about the wheel, then they came to know about how to cook. After the invention of this fire, they learned to cook. Then they started, they feel that they did more things. And after that, they started changing exchanging the goods, that is called barter system. And again, this barter system developed a lot, and slowly trade was started. This trade now is not limited in one market. They started going one country to other country, and it became in this way the commerce developed. And now slowly, when it and after the hundreds of years, it became the industries. When the in the Europe, when they started invention of the different kinds of machine, and and they started exporting, importing the goods. They learned to make ship, and the ship became the main source of transporting goods from one place to another place. In this way, development took place, and new industries came, and after thousands of years, nearly 18th century when it started, 19th century, 18th century, between that time, agricultural revolution took place, and so many changes came in the world. And you can see that today where we are, from the learning from the agriculture, learning from the fire, learning from the wheel. Today we are in the world where we are using computer and phones and aeroplanes. This kind of latest technology, communication, transportation have developed. So in this way, the very speedily development took place after the 18th, 19th century, and still this development is going on, and like that we will be developing further also. And in this way, human beings' role is very much big in the society, on the world and the environment for the development. So thank you. I hope you understood what is ecosystem and how the development are taking place in all over the world. And this will be going on, continuing like that only. Thank you very much. And if you please subscribe if you did not subscribe my channel. Thank you. We'll meet you again with the new part, that is the domains of our environment. In that, we will learn about the atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and the other things. So just wait for the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.